Every map in every classroom just changed. But the Earth didn't move an inch. Planes were still flying, but no one knew where they'd land.
Mayday, mayday, we have a major system malfunction. Rotterdam is showing in the Pacific. Repeat, Pacific.
He hadn't moved, but the world said he was in the Arctic.
何？
ブエノスアイレス。
カイロ。
この異国票はおかしい。
Mount Everest? You're kidding me.
That's what it says.
This must be broken.
Look at this map.
Orders vanished, but the tension didn't. Their maps had changed, but their questions had not. Even the past didn't match anymore.
It can't be.
That's
Impossible.
This is impossible. Africa can't be twice its size.
And where did Greenland go?
It can't be.
It can't be.
As you can see, the established patterns of plate movement do not fully account for this new global topography.
What is this supposed to be?
I've never seen a map like this.
Wait a minute. This matches the new update.
何これ？ソナルには何も映っていない。島がある。
What is that? We have a problem!
I don't understand. The orbits don't match.
This is impossible.
What? How can that be?
What's wrong with the Earth?
That's not what it looks like.
Just a moment, folks. Experiencing a little technical difficulty here.
What's that reading? It's off the charts.
I've never seen anything like this. The quantum entanglement is unstable.
When the earth shifts without moving, truth shall turn to myth.
Status report.
The coordinates are shifting. It's not holding.
And so, class, we see that reality itself.
Where am I going?
Move your car!
Recalculating route.
What? That's not what mine shows.
is an outrage. We need a definitive plan.
My constituents demand clarity, not endless bickering over lines on a page.
This is how we used to know the land.